how to enable angle snapping mouse in 2023. So in this tutorial, you will be able to angle snap for your mouse in any brand. So let's go and head on to GitHub and have this angle snapping software. So download the latest version, and if you go here, go to this file right here where you can download the drivers and the application. So once downloaded, go to the file location, and what you need to do is go and find that RAR file, and once you have found that RAR file, just extract the RAR file so we can see the files that we need in this installation process. So right there I have successfully extracted, and then you would see here on the OneDrive, go and run this one. So after that, it will be now run, and there you go. So in this tutorial as well, what you would need is Visual Studio Code C++. So I have already downloaded this one, and if you don't have, just go to Google and download it, so you can download it. And make sure that the Visual C++ is compatible to your device, just like 32-bit or 64-bit. So you can choose what bit of the C++ you are going to download based on your computer. So let's go back here on the File Explorer, so we can now continue the application or their installation process. So since I have 64-bit, I will go with a 64-bit and then just run the application. Once you have run that, you will be asked for the refresh rate and the DPI of your mouse. So just check it on your mouse, you can see it as well, and then go and type it in. And in the angular mapping here, you can type in values more than 0 and test it if it is effective in your mouse, and you will see the difference if it has no angular mapping. So that's it. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated in this channel. And thank you for watching this one.